Hi everyone, welcome back to KH Computers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose and repair an HP Chromebook with a no display issue. This Chromebook powers on normally, the startup sound can be heard, and the system appears to be functioning correctly. However, the built-in display remains completely black. When we connect an external monitor using the HDMI port, the display works perfectly. This confirms that the motherboard and graphics processor are working properly. If you look closely at the laptop screen, you may notice a very faint image. This indicates that the LCD panel is receiving a video signal, but the backlight is not functioning. This is a common issue in both laptops and Chromebooks. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete troubleshooting and repair process step by step. First, we'll safely remove the bottom cover by unscrewing all the screws and carefully prying it open with a plastic opening tool to avoid damaging the chassis. Before we begin the repair, make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to KH Computers, and share it with your friends. Now, without further delay, let's get started. Friends, if you're facing a display issue on your Chromebook or laptop, this simple fix might solve the problem. Every Chromebook opens a little differently depending on its design, but the process is almost the same. After opening the back cover, the first step is to disconnect the charger and unplug the battery. This helps prevent any short circuit or damage while working on the motherboard. Now, locate the display cable, also called the LVDS connector, connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the connector. Check both the connector and the socket for dust or dirt. Clean them gently using a soft, dry brush. Do not use excessive force. Once both sides are clean, reconnect the display cable securely. If the issue was caused by a loose or dirty connection, your display should start working normally after reconnecting it. If the problem still isn't fixed, repeat the same inspection on the display side of the cable near the screen. After reconnecting everything, plug the battery back in, close the laptop, and power it on to test the display. If the screen works correctly, the issue was simply a loose or dirty display connector. In many cases, this kind of problem happens because of fungus, carbon buildup, or a poor connection in the display cable. That is why issues like this keep coming in laptops and Chromebooks. But after cleaning and reconnecting the display cable properly, the problem is now fully resolved. The screen is working normally again, and the display is showing perfectly. So this was actually a screen-related issue, and inside the LVDS cable, there was a connectivity problem that caused the display to stop working properly. Now, as you can see right in front of you, the issue has been completely fixed. I hope this repair guide has helped you understand how to diagnose and fix a Chromebook with a no display problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to KH Computers, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, stay safe,